Hey guys, Saad with Obsession Car Detailing here with just a quick update video or vlog, I think they're calling it these days, to show what's been going on recently at OCD. Obviously, the last video that you saw from us, that was a vlog style, was in our old workshop. That was a long time ago. We've been absolutely hammered since, so haven't had much of a chance to make any new videos. But this here is our new shop. You can see it's a lot bigger, whereas our old workshop could squeeze in 3 cars. This one we've got with space to spare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars parked. Obviously it's still very much a work in progress. Lots more needs to be done, but it's a fantastic blank canvas. But let's have a quick walk around to see what's been going on and what we've been working on recently. So we've just completed this BMW X3 paint correction, new car paint protection package, Crystal Serum Ultra on the paintwork, wheels, PPF on the bonnet, some interior protection, looking fantastic, ready to pick up. Over here we've got my M3. I really need to desperately detail this thing, but it's got PPF on the bonnet and the bumper to protect it from drives. Got a large box here. Stay tuned for that. We'll probably make a video later on, but you know, going to be doing some construction work to make this a better workspace. BMW i8. This has just undergone some PPF on the, it needs a wash now. We did the full front end, the doors, the side skirts, the roof, pretty much the whole car. I think it will be coming back later on to get the rest of the car done, but this is a cool car. In case you don't know, this is pretty cool. Got the Lamborghini doors. You know, I'm not sure if they're actually called Lamborghini doors, but I think Lamborghini are who popularized them. Tesla Model 3, if you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, etc., you know we've probably done, I don't know, lost count. But this one in here, full front end PPF, Crystal Serum Ultra. This WRX, we've just finished correcting this one. So this is, I think, a 2002 model. It was pretty bad shape. This is now going to get coated. I think we're going to use the Kamikaze, I forgot the name, but one of the Kamikaze coatings on here. Being a Japanese coating on a Japanese car, it just feels right. I'll cut in a clip here of the before, what it looked like, and let's have a quick look as to the after. If we can grab a torch from somewhere. What's going on, guys? We've got a torch, perfect. So that is pretty spotless now. Not perfect. The paint depth wasn't thick enough to allow a full correction. Plus, we were working with the budget of the customer, but I think that's great. And just needs a final wipe down and to be coated and cured. Tesla Model 3. This one we've tinted XPEL Prime XR Plus on the windows. Looks awesome. 2-stage correction on the paintwork and Crystal Serum Ultra. So we can see here we're doing some testing there. This car looks quite dull. It's hard to see, but there's a lot of haze in the paint, which looks like it was from the dealership or the factory. I must say this is the second batch of Teslas that we're doing. The quality control and the finish on these is a lot better. The first ones that we did, the first 15 or so that we did, all had sanding marks and scratches and just areas that had not been polished after sanding, whereas this looks like they've actually made an attempt to polish. There you go, that's focus. You can see all those swirls. They look like swirls from a compounding process. So that's why the car looks a bit dull. Lexus LC500, second-hand car. The owner is from interstate, picked it up from here, and it's been delivered to us for a full detail and full paint protection film, XPEL, so that he can drive it back home up in Queensland and not worry. So you can see this is our new workshop. Like I said, it's still very much a work in progress. You know, organizing things. We've got all our pads and things being organized there, and 2 table tennis tables for PPF weeding, which is real nice. Oh yeah, we've got some cars outside that have just been dropped off, so let's take a look at those. We've got this Subaru Forester just been dropped off. Chrysler Ultra, Tesla Model 3 in white. It's a bit overexposed, but full PPF, and another Tesla Model 3 just down there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to find out more, get in touch. You know how: website, Facebook, email, etc. Comment below. I hope to do more videos soon, but you know, I think for the next few weeks we're predominantly just doing Tesla Model 3s, so you'll get pretty bored of them pretty quickly. But any questions, comments, be sure to ask, and if you want to book your car in, get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers.